Hello and welcome. Today we will learn about shapes and we'll draw using shapes.
The store.
Draw this door. Do you know what shape is this made of? What shape is the house made of?
Mama made it.
Mama made it. I made this using square. And what is this one?
Triangle.
Triangle. Good job. And the sun
Sun.
is made of?
Circle.
Circle. You are right. And the ball? What shape is the ball? Is it circle? Is it square? Is it triangle?
Circle.
It's a circle. And this
And
tree?
sun is the sun.
Yeah, correct. What color is the sun?
Yellow.
Yellow. Good job, buddy. So let's begin. We will be drawing shapes today. Hope you guys enjoy this video and make sure to watch till the end. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more such videos. So let's begin. So first we're gonna make the sun. Oh,
Circle.
circle. Draw a circle. Wow, I love your big circles. Good job. Now we're gonna give it some big line and small line. And a big line and a small line. A big line, small, big, small, big line and a small line.
Line.
Do you need help?
Yes.
I will draw one line, two line, big line, a small line, a big one, a small, a big one, small, and just like that. What is it now?
Sun.
Yay! Make it rectangle so that we can fill in colors in it. I'm going to make these long rectangles. First, for the house, we'll make a triangle. Can you make a triangle?
Help.
You need help?
Yes.
One triangle like that. Good job.
Triangle.
A square. Let's help you. One line, two line, and three line. Look at that.
House.
Yeah. Do we need to put in some doors now? Let's make a long rectangle for the door, and I'll just add a little dot. That's the knob for the door, so you can open the door. And then two little windows. Yeah.
This window is this.
This window is this, you're right. Shall we make the bushes around it?
Yes.
Bushes are going to be oval. Can you make an oval?
This is my started.
Yeah, okay, I'll draw one oval here also. One more oval. Now this is a bushes.
This started?
Draw this? Okay. One more here?
Yes.
Okay. Maybe I can make a little small bush and one more small bush. You want to color it? Okay. Let's make a tree. How about that? Can we make a tree here?
Well, see here.
Tree here? Okay. So let's draw a long rectangle.
This.
Okay.
This.
Sure. We're gonna draw one here also. Draw one line, one long line. Yes. And draw one more line just next to it. It fell down. It's okay. Take this. Let's draw one more line. Okay? Now you can draw a triangle on it. Okay. Then after this, there's gonna come a triangle on top and then another triangle, and then one more triangle. Now it's like a tree, right?
Tree.
It's a tree.
This is matching this tree.
And this tree is matching this tree. You're right. Now it looks like a scenery. You have the sun, you have the house, you have the bushes, and you have the tree. Shall I make some cloud?
Have it this.
You have the cloud over there? Wow. Okay, then I'm gonna make a cloud. My cloud is missing over here. So I'm gonna draw one line and then half circle, another half circle, and another half circle. That makes it a cloud. Now it's your turn. What's that?
Cloud.
Wow. Do you want to add some circles? See? Awesome, Sahaj. Awesome. Then maybe I can make a bee here. How about making a bee?
This bee.
Huh.
It's help.
You need help?
Yes.
What do you want to make? So for the bee, I'm going to make an oval. What's the shape?
No more.
Oval. And then the head using a circle. And give it some antenna with a line. And a little smile on the face. And the legs here. A little triangle tail. Give it some wings. And add some lines, which makes it a bee.
This bee.
Yeah, that bee and this bee is matching, correct? So we made a bee using an oval. So this is a tiny little tutorial on making drawing using shapes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I hope your kids will enjoy watching it and making it together. And I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching till the end. I really appreciate it. And like, share and subscribe. I'll be back with another video soon. And for the rest of the video, I'm going to be coloring the scenery.
Color.
And
Color.